Understanding Coordination of Benefits (COB) in Healthcare. In healthcare, COB stands for Coordination of Benefits. It is a process used by insurance companies to determine the order of payment and share the responsibility when a patient is covered by multiple health insurance plans. The goal is to ensure that insurance providers do not pay more than 100% of the healthcare costs while maximizing the benefits available to the patient. The primary insurer is responsible for paying claims first, according to its policy terms. The secondary insurer covers any remaining eligible costs, subject to its own terms and limits. A tertiary insurance may come into play if a patient has a third insurance plan. Individuals covered by both their employer's plan and their spouse's plan. Children covered by both parents' plans. People with Medicare and a private insurance plan. Those who have coverage through a government program, example Medicaid, and a private plan. Insurance companies follow COB rules to establish the primary and secondary plans. Common rules include employee versus dependent. The plan covering the individual as an employee, not a dependent, is primary. Birthday rule. For dependents, the parent whose birthday, month and day occurs earlier in the year typically has the primary plan. Medicare as secondary. For people over 65, Medicare is secondary if the individual is still working and covered under a large employer's plan, 20 plus employees. Court orders. If a court order specifies which parent's insurance must cover a child, that plan is primary. The healthcare provider submits a claim to the primary insurance. After the primary insurer pays its share, the claim is sent to the secondary insurer to cover remaining eligible costs. Patients may still be responsible for costs like copayments, deductibles, or non-covered services.